What's up guys, it's LadyZ. I got this cute jersey from Fansidea and I'm going to show you guys. This is the package. I'm going to put it on for y'all, but like I want to show you guys first. This is the jersey. Okay. So I got mine to say number 1 and my nickname LadyZ. And yeah, you guys also, if you guys get the jersey, you guys can also customize it in the back and stuff, but I didn't choose to do that. So yeah, we put it on. Okay guys, so I put it on and I think I got a size medium or small. No, this is definitely a small. But oh my gosh, I love it. Like, this is cute. Like, if you guys want your jersey customized, make sure to go to Fansidea_official. I'll have their Instagram name below and their link should be in the bio. And it probably came in about like a week and a half or so. Yeah, so shipping is really fast. The quality is really good. It doesn't feel like too like thin. It feels thick and it's like, this feels like, it feels right. Thank you Fansidea and I appreciate y'all. And make sure y'all will get y'all jerseys customized today. Anyways, peace out.